Hey, this is TK with Media Roofing. We're going to do an instructional video today and show you how we do a few repairs. What you're seeing right here in this picture is a guy replacing a pipe flashing. And here you see a guy is fixing a leak in a valley. And here you see we're replacing another pipe flashing. And what happens is usually you see this metal pipe flashing in the video there is most people install plastic pipe boots, and here at Median we install metal-based pipe flashings that don't wear out as easy and as quickly as these rubber-based ones. You see they're taking a flat bar and they're going delicately under each shingle and removing the nails, and then he's going to pop up the pipe flashing. I know it's kind of hard in this video, we got a lot going on, it's not real close up, but they're taking care on each individual shingle and take the nails out, and then they'll slide the shingle out, and they'll remove the pipe flashing, and then they'll install the metal-based pipe flashing. And Media Roofing, we're usually probably the only ones in the area that are installing these from day one on your roof.